Okay, I am going to show everyone a quick way on how to save to the Google Drive, straight to the drive. So one thing you're going to have to do is check to see if Drive file stream is synced up and on your computer. If it is, you're great. What you will want to do is make sure you look for this little icon right here, which is Drive File Stream. Sign in with your school ID, and that will get you to the drive. So that way when you go up here, when you make your part, which I have a random part here, click on File, Save As, and then you're going to see a G drive here, Google Drive File Stream. Go to Teams Drive, go to the Engineering 2018-2019, and let's try to be consistent and stick with CSWA tutorials. And then you're going to create a new one, for instance, that says Readaman. Do that, wait for it, double click on it. We're going to call this like just test part for drive file stream, and then hit save. It's going to save that part. You can save all your parts, you can save all your assemblies. Just get used to doing this, because no matter what computer you're on, no matter if you're at home or if you're here, if you're using the Google Drive file stream, when you log in, you can add that and you are good to go. So stick with that, guys and gals. That's going to get the stuff to the right location.